more snow.
More
you check in when you can to social media, and pretty much all of the last tweets I've gotten are, it's still snowing. It's still snowing. When's it going to stop snowing? We're still looking at these snow bands out there, and underneath the heavier bands right now, we are still seeing the snow pile up at a rate of 1 inch or 2 per hour. These bands are going to slowly weaken, but this whole storm is not really going to taper off until about 8 o'clock or so this evening. So we've got a while to go. You can see right now on the radar, once you get west of Worcester, the snow has stopped, but we still have lighter snow in Worcester, and it's these brighter blue colors you're looking for here. There's a band set up close to 495 that kind of wraps toward Worcester, but you can see the more pronounced band is all along the coast now, from Cape Ann down into Boston, much of the South Shore, and even now on the Cape and Buzzards Bay, we are looking at some of these enhanced snowfall bands. So the snow is still piling up, and many communities now over 2 feet of snow. Framingham, Lunenburg, Westford, all 30 inches right now. Tingsboro at 29, and you can see we've had about 28 inches of snow in many communities too. Now take a look at the radar with me here, because these bands are pivoting slowly around our storm. They're generally going from north to south, but there hasn't been much movement outside of that. Our storm is stalled. It is stuck. It is not moving right now, and until this storm drifts toward the north and east, we're going to continue to see these bands wrap in around the storm. So what we're waiting for is this storm to move toward the east, and it will kind of do that slowly lift toward the north and east. So you can see the slow tapering of the snow as we go deeper into the afternoon. Not much change in the next couple of hours, but once we head toward about 6 o'clock this evening, I think we're going to start to get out of it here beyond 495. Still some steadier snow along the coastline, and after about 8, 9 o'clock this evening, that's when it starts to let up, and overnight the snow will eventually come to an end. So we're now talking about a widespread area, a good large portion here of eastern Massachusetts, over 2 feet of snow, lesser amounts to the west, and closer to the canal, we've had close to 2 feet of snow as well. Winds are the other issue right now. We are still gusting 50, 60 miles per hour along the coast, and those winds too only slowly coming down, and they're knocking back the wind chill. It does feel like it's below zero right now in Boston, so a tough situation all around. We'll talk more about what's happening at the coast and what we expect here with the next high tide.